Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. Today we have a question that says two prime numbers P and Q. So it says P and Q are two prime numbers and the sum of those two prime numbers is 99. Right? You need to find P minus Q. You know what? This is like a 10 seconds question. If you know this trick, you will solve it in like 10 seconds. Okay? Let's see this. If you see P and Q are prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Like 2 is a prime number. 2 is only even prime number. Okay. And then 3 is a prime number. And then 5 is a prime number. Then 7 and then 11 and then 13 and then 17, 19 and up to so on. You keep going on like that. Okay. Now, there is one trick in this question that you need to know that if you add any two prime numbers, any two, suppose I add 7 plus 11, you will get an even number, right? So, sum of two odd numbers, odd plus odd is always even, right? So, both prime numbers, if you take odd, you will get even number. Now, you look your question. Your question is P plus Q is equal to 99. Your sum, when you are adding two prime numbers, you are getting 99. And that is only possible if one of the prime is even. Because if both primes were odd, you would not get 99. You would get an even number here, right? But you are getting 99. That means one of the prime is what? Even. So that means, and they're saying assume P is less than Q. So suppose P is equal to 2 and then Q will be equal to 99 minus 2, that is 97. Are you getting? And this is our answer. Is this? But since we need to find P minus Q. So P minus Q is what? 2 minus 97, that is equal to minus 95. So do not get confused with this stuff where they are asking you to find P minus Q. Don't write 95. And because they are giving you an assumption that you need to take P less than Q always. Okay, whenever you're given like this. So what was this question about? This question was about just this trick that odd plus odd is even. And when you were adding two prime numbers and the sum was odd, so you know that one of the prime is even, and that is 2 because 2 is the only prime that is even, right? So I hope you understood this. These are small tricks, but it makes a difference in your test, right? So if you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can visit me on Facebook and Instagram. Follow me there and solve the riddles and comment your answers. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.